Are you looking for the best starter toolkits in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 7 best starter toolkits. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 7th product on our list is the Stanley 9424865-piece Homeowner's Toolkit. The quality of each individual tool was the best in this Stanley kit. While its molded case does not have space for additional tools, it held the tools that the kit comes with relatively well. This kit includes all of the tools that you'll need for many basic and intermediate home repairs. And the limited 1-year warranty provided for the kit is among the best we were able to find. I never felt strongly about hammers before writing this guide. However, the one included in the Stanley kit convinced me that a good hammer can make a big difference when you're working on a repair or building something new. The grip on the Stanley hammer was the most comfortable out of all the hammers tested for this guide. I felt like the force of my strikes were actually being directed onto the nail, rather than bouncing off of it. While it isn't one of Stanley's popular FatMax tape measures, the one that comes in the kit is good quality. The Stanley's level, with its magnet and fine build quality, was one of the best I encountered while writing this guide. One of my favorite features of the Stanley 94-248 kit was its interchangeable head screwdriver, which comes with 30 bits. This is in addition to the 2 dedicated screwdrivers, a slot head, and a number 2 Phillips that the kit ships with. My only real complaint about this kit is that the handle of the interchangeable head screwdriver wasn't as comfortable to use as the ones built into the kit's dedicated screwdrivers. In total, this kit includes a 13-ounce hammer, a 16-foot tape rule, 18mm snap-off knife, 1 torpedo level, a set of needle nose pliers, 1 set of slip joint pliers, a Phillips screwdriver and slot head screwdriver, 8 SAE and 8 metric hex keys, a 0.25-inch round head ratchet and 8 SAE 0.25-inch sockets, 1 0.25-inch spinner handle, as well as the aforementioned 30 screwdriver bits and an interchangeable screwdriver handle to use them with. If you wanted to buy each of the tools in this kit separately, it would cost you significantly more, making the Stanley 94-248 an incredible value. If you need a trustworthy set of tools to get started on home repairs, the Stanley 94-248 is an excellent value, boasting quality that will last. Up next in the 6th place is the Cartman 148-piece tool set. This set came with everything we were looking for, with the exception of a level. In addition to nailing all but one of the basics, the Cartman kit comes with a nice bonus: 9 sockets designed to work with the kit's interchangeable screwdriver handle. The handles on the 2 dedicated screwdrivers, a slot head, and a Phillips were just as comfortable to hold as the interchangeable screwdriver. The grip on the Cartman hammer felt comfortable, and in use, the hammer made me feel that the force of each blow was being directed downward instead of vibrating up into my arm. Additionally, the small roll of electrical tape and a box full of nails and screws included in the kit allows you to start working right away, avoiding an extra trip to the store for supplies. The tool quality in this kit was slightly lower than that of the others tested for this guide. The needle nose pliers, for example, were sticky to open and the box cutter felt flimsy. However, considering that this kit can be found at almost half the price of the others in this roundup, the lower quality of tools, which are still highly functional, feels like a reasonable compromise. The price of the Cartman tends to fluctuate often, so keep an eye out as it can sometimes be had for as low as $25. The Apollo DT9408 is comparable to the Cartman in price, but lacks a number of the tools that the Cartman comes with. This kit includes a 10-foot tape measure, an 8-ounce claw hammer, a set of 6-inch needle nose pliers, a selection of 5 wrenches, a bit driver and bit connector, a 9-piece socket set, a snap-off utility knife, 5 precision screwdrivers, 12 hex keys, a small roll of insulated tape, a box with screws and nails, and 30 screwdriver bits. Coming in at number 5 is the Workpro W009036A 156-piece home repair tool set. One of my biggest complaints about pre-assembled toolkits doesn't always concern the tools included in the kit. Rather, it's the plastic cases that the kits sometimes come packed in. Many cases can be aggravating to snap tools into, and even once the tools have been returned to their spot, I'm often infuriated when I try to close the kit, only to have a number of seemingly secure tools fall out of their designated spots. The Workpro W009036A avoids all of this by packaging its tools in a tool bag. This ensures that your tools are secure and, as a bonus, that you'll have the extra space in the bag to store new tools and you may buy over time, as required. Unfortunately, the quality of the tools in the W009036A aren't as high a quality as those in our main pick. However, the W009036A does come with some thoughtful additions that the Stanley kit lacks. The W009036A's interchangeable head screwdriver, for example, comes with a large variety of common screwdriver heads, such as Robertson, slotted and Phillips, along with less common tips designed for working with security screws in various sizes. Some of the common heads come with multiples of the same type and size, a generous bonus should they become stripped from frequent use. The kit's box cutter comes with 10 extra blades, and the tool bag feels durable. You should know that when I emailed the company for information regarding the warranty, I received no response. The toolkit contains a 16-inch zippered tool bag with outside pockets and a carrying strap, a 9-inch torpedo level, a set of 16 hex keys, a 3-meter tape measure, a mini hacksaw, 3 pairs of pliers, 6 precision screwdriver set, a utility knife with 10 replacement blades, 40 black cable ties, a 16-ounce claw hammer, a combination wrench with clamp, an adjustable wrench and replaceable head screwdriver with 60 bits. At number 4, we have the Deko 168-piece tool set. If my toolkit recommendations were based solely on the number of pieces in a kit, this would have been our main pick. With a whopping 168 pieces, not including each of the zip ties in the kit, I'm looking at you, Workpro. The Deko B07239114V1 has everything you didn't know you needed. Most of the kit's tools were good, but not great, with nothing standing out as being particularly low quality. However, the warranty for this kit is a suspiciously short 30 days. The hammer included in the B07239114V1 wasn't my favorite. My heart belongs to Stanley. It had a fairly comfortable handle, however. The rubber was softer and the grip was not as secure as the Stanley. The pliers and screwdrivers in this kit, however, really shone, with a ratchet on the interchangeable head screwdriver and magnetic tips on the dedicated flathead and Roberts screwdrivers. Most of the extra pieces in this kit looked useful, including some clips that were stronger than expected. However, all those extra tools pushed up the kit's price. If you know how you'd use most of the extra tools, the B07239114V1 might be worth your consideration. Otherwise, stick with a smaller kit of higher quality and purchase individual tools as needed. This toolkit contains a set of 9 hex keys, 22 drive sockets with a ratchet and socket adapters, 28 screwdriver bits, 3 pliers, a set of 6 combination wrenches, a set of 5 precision screwdrivers, 4 screwdrivers, 1 adjustable wrench, 1 hammer, a utility knife, a hacksaw, a level, a 10-foot tape measure, 4 spring clamps, a box with an assortment of wood screws, a 16-foot roll of insulating tape, and a wire stripper. The third product on our list is the Amazon Basics 65-piece Home Basic Repair Toolkit. The quality of the tools in the Amazon Basics kit was merely passable. With the exception of the tape measure, it was one of my favorite tested for this guide as it comes with an auto lock. I was unimpressed with the thin handle on the pliers, which made them uncomfortable to use. Additionally, the bag fabric on the inside felt like tissue paper. Given its price, you'd be better served by our main or budget pick. The kit includes a tool bag with a carrying strap, a 16-piece Allen wrench set, a 13-ounce hammer, an auto-locking 16-foot tape measure, a torpedo level, utility knife, 2 sets of pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, a slot head screwdriver, an interchangeable head screwdriver with a 30-piece bit set, and a ratchet with 8 sockets. Second on our list is the Workpro W009021A 100-piece kitchen drawer home toolkit. This set from Workpro gives the impression that the designer intended it to be tucked away in a kitchen junk drawer and ignored until it's needed. The zippered case that comes with the kit uses elastics to tuck each tool away in a soft-sided case. Unfortunately, the tools are of poorer quality than the other Workpro set featured in this guide. The hammer is quite light. I needed more strikes to drive in a nail than I did with the Stanley kit's hammer. I also disliked that the kit screwdriver had a handle with a flat bottom, making it hard to push down on and turn. This toolkit is contained in a tool bag and includes 2 sets of pliers, an adjustable wrench, an 8-ounce claw hammer, 4 precision screwdrivers, a 10-foot tape measure, 40 cable ties, a snap-off knife with 10 replacement blades, a torpedo level, an 8-piece set of hex keys, an interchangeable head screwdriver with 20 bits and 9 sockets. Finally, the top product on our list is the Apollo Precision Tools DT940850 3-piece toolkit. On the plus side, the tools were very secure in this kit's case and included most of the must-haves we expect, with the exception of a box cutter in an entry-level toolkit, while the screwdriver, level, and tape measure were all of average quality, which, given the DT9408's price, is impressive. The hammer was easily one of the worst tools we tested for this guide. During testing, the hammer tended to bounce rather than direct force downward into the nails I was attempting to drive. This toolkit contains 1 set of needle nose pliers, an adjustable wrench, an 8-ounce claw hammer, a digital voltage tester, a 12-foot tape measure, a torpedo level, 6 precision screwdrivers, an interchangeable head screwdriver with 20 bits, a set of 4 wrenches, and a set of 16 hex keys. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.